International Yoga Day celebrations in schools yesterday. Centre notifies anti-paper leak law amid NEET, UGC net row. NMC shortened the internship period to 1 year for foreign medical graduates. SC declines to stay in the process of NEET UG counselling, issues notice to NTA. Good afternoon, warm welcome. You are watching the Education News Network, where you get the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Shilpa reporting from the Education News Network. Today's stories are: International Yoga Day celebrations in schools yesterday. Times Bal Bharati Public School, Pitampura, New Delhi. International Yoga Day reminds us of the power of yoga to harmonize the body, mind, and soul, promoting peace and well-being in our lives and the world, stated Bal Bharati Public School, Pitampura, New Delhi. Times Delhi Public School, Electronic City. DPS E-City celebrated the International Day of Yoga on 21st June 2024 with enthusiasm. The event featured an assembly in the schoolyard transformed into a yoga heaven, where Principal Mrs. Anupma Ramchandra delivered an inspiring speech on yoga's benefits for holistic health. Times St. Joseph's Boys High School, Residency Road, Bangalore. On 21st June 2024, St. Joseph's Boys High School celebrated the 10th International Yoga Day with a special program emphasizing the benefits of yoga for students' holistic well-being. The event featured a lamplighting ceremony symbolizing inner enlightenment, followed by student performances of various asanas promoting physical and mental health. Times JM International School, Dwarka. The Yogatho was conducted at JM International School, Dwarka on 21st June 2024 on the school premises. Many students enthusiastically participated in the event. This initiative is taken every year by the school to raise awareness about the importance of physical and mental well-being among students. A team of experienced yoga teachers guided students through a series of yoga asanas and breathing exercises. Times Vardhaman International School, Rajasthan. Vardhaman International School, Rajasthan is celebrating International Yoga Day with enthusiasm. Students and staff participate in various yoga sessions, promoting physical and mental well-being. Times Central Academy Shikshantar Senior Secretary School, Kota. Embracing peace and wellness at Central Academy Shikshantar. Sister Secretary School, Kota. On this International Yoga Day, our students and staff united harmoniously to practice yoga and cultivate inner tranquility. Times Chander Bala Modi Academy, Ankaleshwar, Gujarat. Celebrated the 10th International Yoga Day on 21st June 2024 with enthusiasm and unity. The event focused on enhancing students' agility and flexibility for overall fitness. Hosted by students Ananya Mishra and Gloria Biju of class 11th, the celebration began with a prayer followed by a structured program of warm-up exercises and various yoga asanas including Surya Namaskar, Tadasana, and Bhujangasana. Times the Millennium School, Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Synchronicity of mind and muscle find the perfect balance at the Millennium School, Noida, Uttar Pradesh on the occasion of International Yoga Day. The Public Examinations, Prevention of Unfair Means Act, 2024, recently enacted by the Indian government, aims to curb malpractices in public exams and entrance tests like NEET and UGC NET. It mandates severe penalties, including imprisonment ranging from 3 to 10 years and fines up to 1 crore rupees for offences such as leaking question papers, aiding candidates during exams, tampering with computer systems, impersonation, conducting fake exams, or falsifying documents. Institutions involved in organized cheating may face property attachment and financial penalties. Candidates themselves are exempt from punitive measures under existing unfair means policies. The Act designates non-bailable offences and allows senior police officials to investigate. It applies to exams conducted by major bodies like UPSC, SSC, Railways, Banking, and those administered by the NTA. The National Medical Commission, NMC, has reduced the mandatory internship duration for medical graduates from foreign universities to 1 year, down from the previous requirement of 2 to 3 years, following student protests. This change is particularly beneficial for foreign medical graduates. According to a recent public notice, students who have completed online classes followed by physical on-site classes and passed equivalent examinations to MBBS in India are eligible for this shortened internship under the CRMI Regulations 2021. The notice also extends this eligibility to students who have completed similar qualifications in other countries. the Foreign Medical Graduates Examination, conducted by the National Board of Examinations twice a year, is crucial for these students seeking licensure to practice medicine in India. The next FMG exam is scheduled for 6 July, with admit cards expected to be released shortly before the exam date. The Supreme Court recently declined to halt the counselling process for the NEET UG 2024 exam and issued notices to the National Testing Agency, NTA. A vacation bench, led by Justices Vikram Nath and SVN Bhatti, combined new petitions with existing ones, scheduling them for a hearing on 8 July. The court previously issued notices on transferring NEET UG-related petitions from various high courts to itself and temporarily halted proceedings in those courts. These actions stem from allegations of question paper leaks and other malpractices surrounding the exam. Despite these issues, the Supreme Court reiterated its stance against halting the counselling process. Additionally, the court addressed a plea by students from Meghalaya who sought inclusion in the group receiving grace marks due to a 45-minute delay during their exam. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.educationnewsnetwork. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.